of gold, and I think let's dive into the details. Let's go to the hourly because we had reasonably good structure coming out of a lengthy lateral movement where we assumed that the fourth wave ended here. We worked with this being 1-2, fine, I don't see an issue there. We had this as a 3-4 that was a little bit on the short side. Okay, on the short side, it's not impossible to assume that was a 3-4 like that. Okay, that gives you a bit more time. And then we assume that that's the end of the rally, yeah, that began way back here. And I said to you, it could correct way lower, or if it is very strong, it's going to go sideways. That will be a key. It hasn't really come down that much. It is evidently very strong, but we can't be sure that this is the end of the fifth. It is possible that that is a 1-2 or 5 in green, you see. Sorry. If that is the case, what's going to happen? It's going to basically stay more or less where it is, and then it's going to inch higher and higher. Okay, in that case, that is our 1-2, and then a 3, 4, 5, might even get an extension, and then a big correction. Now let's have a look at silver. Now what happened here in silver could be very significant. It could be significant to the extent that right now I can't see clearly the scope of this significance, meaning it could really be a game changer, or it could be nothing. Silver has a long history of spikes that trap a lot of people. Just look what happened here. You got very excited. I thought, well, that's it. We're going into a phase transition. And, well, no, sorry. Look what happened. This could be just another trick like that, where in fact we are witnessing a complex correction of an A, B, C, X, A, B, and that will be a C. So what do we do? Well, you do what you want, you do what you think is right. What I tell you right now, I'm showing you with you my opinion. I think that in order, as far as I'm concerned, to take this as a genuine phase transition, something really that is indicating we're going to go into sort of all-out panic buying, I would love to see several days like that, literally leaving this red line behind in style. Okay, if I don't get that and I see it climbing, okay, holding on to most of these gains, very impressive gains here overnight, and it inches high slowly, and it reaches this level, this zone of 35, and it stalls. That could basically just say this is an ABC. The problem with running with a 1-2 and a huge third wave up is what we had here, which is very much looking like a B or a triangle sort of tilted down. You know, it doesn't look like a typical second wave. And that's, as far as I can see, this could be a problem. Okay, so while this is very exciting, and if I'm reading it right here, the short term, it could actually be a 1-2-1-2 situation, which means that silver is going to push higher. It might even pop above 35. But just hold on before jumping in with two hands, because it could be a trap. Silver is in a long-term bull market, no question. But what I'm saying is that it could be a trap if you walk in with lots of margin positions here, and it goes for serious correction, you'll be wiped out. You know, that's what I mean. So there is no easy, as far as I'm concerned, for what I see here, there is no easy wave count. There is no wave count that jumps off the screen at me and says, hey, look, this is the best, that's the dominant one. No, there isn't. As far as I can see, it's lots and lots of options opening up here. And in such a situation, you want to exercise caution. That's what I would say.